Meet member expectations with quick, personalized digital experiences. Replace dated, disjointed lending processes across multiple channels without losing personal connection with the members. What if you could provide a seamless loan process that starts on a digital app and continues as members enter a physical location? Josh wants to start a pet grooming business and realizes he needs a loan. He calls Sand Credit Union for direction and is greeted personally by an assist.
Thank you for calling Sand Member Services, Josh. How may we help you today?
I'd like to apply for a loan.
Would you like me to guide you through filling one out on your mobile device?
Yes, please.
Okay, the guided experience will begin now. Thank you for your interest. To continue your loan application, follow the link we have just texted to you. Once you open the link, log into your account by entering your email address and password.
Josh decides to visit Sand's physical location to submit the documents needed for his loan. He uses their mobile app, which enables geolocation tracking of his whereabouts. As Josh approaches the entrance of the credit union, DaVinci enables a case to be created in the loan officer's CRM to alert of his arrival. This allows the loan officer to personalize the experience and proactively save him time, so he can get back to building his pet grooming business. What if you could virtually assist members without losing the personal connection? Mary wants to remodel her master bathroom and realizes she needs a loan to pay her contractor. Since 2020, Mary has been using Sand Credit Union's website for financial needs, so she goes to their website and clicks Apply for Loan. She enters her information but pauses when she gets to occupation because she's retired. She decides to click the web chat and types her question in the field. Now, the Sand rep in their contact center, Eric, can see information in their CRM from the screen popped via chat. He can see how long she's been a customer and what her last interaction was with Sand. He's able to assist her with her question and even offers to do a screen share to ensure the application is complete before she submits. DaVinci provides the platform and services for digital transformation of credit unions, so you can continue to provide personalized experiences on the channels your members want.